give up. When the going gets tough and I wanna give up, I will trust in you. 'Cause you're always gonna lead, always gonna lead, always gonna lead me through. When I'm feeling overwhelmed and almost wanna quit, I will not give in. 'Cause you're giving me strength, the strength to start again. Singing, everybody, come on, let's keep going. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're never gonna give up, no. Oh, everybody, come on, let's keep moving. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're never gonna give up, no. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. No, never gonna give up, no. When I'm feeling like I can't finish where I started, I will look to you. Jesus showed me how to follow you. Singing, everybody, come on, let's keep going. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're never gonna give up, no. Oh, everybody, come on, let's keep moving. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're never gonna give up, no. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, no. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, no. Everybody, come on, let's keep going. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're never gonna give up, no. Oh, everybody, come on, let's keep moving. Yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're never gonna give up, no. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, no. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, no.
59, 60, 61.
Hey, doing some trampolining?
Yeah,
Yeah, looks like hard work.
it is.
Hey, you know, whenever I trampoline for a long time, it always feels weird to jump off and stand on solid ground. You know, it always feels like my legs want to keep jumping, you know, like they're still on the trampoline. You know, does that ever happen to you?
What? No.
Oh, I guess it's just me then.
99, 100. Oh,
Wait.
that feels good.
Yeah, no, that's what I was talking about.
Oh, I need some refreshments.
Yeah.
Oh, feels great. Oh, did you want some?
No, I definitely do not
Here.
want any. Please.
Here you go. I'm gonna go run a mile.
Hello, world.
I'm John.
And I'm Brandon.
And you're watching the So-and-So Show.
A show that highlights the importance of living life with joy, resilience, and a passion for what God is doing in the world.
Exactly. And might I add, for 5 long years now, we've been doing a pretty good job.
I would agree, my friend. It seems like no matter what life has thrown at us,
No matter what obstacles we've had to face,
no matter how zany or silly things got,
nothing can keep us from doing this show. Oh,
sorry, chicken fell off. Chicken
yeah,
down.
yeah. Sorry.
Chicken down. Let me get that.
All right.
All right. There you go.
Hey.
Can we do that again? Maybe don't hit the desk.
No,
next time.
I got it. Can we reshoot this? Because
Yeah.
the chicken has to be in the shot.
Right. Yep. Hello, world.
I'm John.
And I'm Brandon.
And you're watching the
The
So-and-So Show.
Oh, no.
Whoa.
Chicken down.
Yeah. That's funny. Can we go again?
Yep.
Hello, world. I didn't even do anything.
I know.
Hello, world.
I'm John. No!
Tape it down.
Tape.
Okay. Hello. Hello, world. You know what? I'm done.
Me too.
I'm done.
Me too.
Yeah.
Wait. We haven't finished shooting yet.
Well, tell that to the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken doesn't want to do its job, then neither do we. We quit.
Yeah. Well, no, don't tell me we have someone who knows stuff today.
There is someone who knows stuff. Yes.
Anyone else want to know though?
Hi, do I just come in?
Oh, no, sure. Just don't mind a chicken on the floor. Come on in. Have a seat. Yeah, just
Sit down
comfy.
right
Yeah,
there.
right there.
Hey,
That's
tell
great.
us who you are and what you know. If that's okay with you, chicken.
Yeah.
Did I come at a bad time?
Sorry, no. It's the chicken.
Yeah.
Please.
Hi, I'm Andrea and I play soccer in college.
That's great. Let me ask you something here, Andrea. When everything is going wrong on the soccer field and nothing seems to be working out for you, don't you just want to yell out, I give up. It's over. It's too hard. I can't handle the chicken.
Yeah, I felt like that before, except for the chicken part.
Look, we apologize. The chicken has been very disruptive today, and we've decided that this is our last show.
We're quitting.
No kidding.
Yeah.
That's weird because just recently I almost quit playing soccer.
Why?
Well,
Was it a chicken?
No, I tore my MCL and ACL.
you're Mickle and Ackle.
MCL and ACL. They're ligaments that hold my knee joint together.
Ow. Oh.
I tore them in the middle of a match about a year ago. It was some of the worst pain I've ever felt.
So I'm guessing that you couldn't play soccer for a couple of days, huh?
Yeah.
Try a whole year. I had to have several surgeries, and it took a really long time for my knee to heal. I had to go to physical therapy and get back in shape, and it just felt impossible.
Yeah.
That's when I thought about quitting.
But you didn't.
No. I realized I love the sport. I love hanging out with my teammates, and I like contributing to something that was bigger than me. And in order to keep going, I had to choose to do the hard work, no matter how difficult.
You know what, Andrea? I'm glad you came on the show today because I think you've helped put a lot of things in proper perspective for us.
Well, I'm glad to hear it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to be late for practice. See you guys later.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, see ya. Thank you for coming in.
Wow. What an amazing story. I mean, that took so much strength.
So much determination.
courage.
Yeah. You still want to quit doing the show?
Oh, definitely, because I can't handle the chicken!
Yeah!
Hey, fellas, don't leave.
It's not our fault, Kellen. Blame the chicken. The chicken!
I know. I've been watching. I sorta get your frustration with the chicken, but I need to tell you the Bible story before you leave.
I guess you're right. One last time?
Aren't you guys gonna, I'll just do it. It's Bible story time with me. So, fellas, have I got some verses for you? Awesome. And today, I've brought one of your favorite motivational guests to help me share them. Please welcome to the show my esteemed colleague and fitness guru, Horvath. Horvath, what's up?
Hello?
Dude, are you okay?
No.
What's wrong?
My Bible sizing days are over.
Oh, no, not you too.
I broke my littlest fingers. And now I can no longer exercise. Evers! Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo-hoo-hoos!
Are you crying?
My tear ducts are so muscular, they don't allow tears to escape their pores.
Oh boy. Well, it looks like I'm going to have to tell the Bible story and lead us in some exercises. You can do them with me, Horvath.
But my pinkies!
Okay, well, it's time to Bible size with Kellen. I'll share some Bible verses and then periodically match an exercise of my own invention to help you remember them. Cool?
Boo-hoos!
Awesome. Today's verses are found in the book of Hebrews, chapter 12. The writer of Hebrews wrote, Let us throw off any sin that holds on to us so tightly, and let us keep on running the race marked out for us. All right, first exercise. I call this one the throw and run.
Good names.
Yeah, thank you. Basically, you hold your hand shoulder high and do a squat. And when you come back up, you throw off everything and run in place really fast. How many should we do, Horvath?
482.
Right. Why don't you count for us and I can do the exercise?
Oh, okay.
All right.
Ready? Goes. 1. Throw. Thread. Fountain.
Not a number.
492.
Whew, wow. I feel great. Are you sure you don't want to join in, Horvath?
Boo-hoos.
Okay, next part. Let us keep looking to Jesus. He is the one who started this journey of faith, and he is the one who completes the journey of faith. Okay, second exercise. I call this one, look to Jesus.
Oh.
All right. We'll start squatted down into a tight ball. Then we will leap as high as we can, putting one hand over our eyes as if we're looking to see as far as we can. How many of these should we do?
Oh. Let's do a big numbers.
Okay.
2.
Okay, you count.
Ready? Goes. 1. 2. Theater.
Okay.
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus.
2. Yeah, what's next?
Oh, okay, next part. And this is really important. Ready?
Ready.
All right. Jesus paid no attention to the shame of the cross. He suffered there because of the joy he was looking forward to. Then he sat down at the right hand of the throne of God. He made it through these attacks by sinners. So think about him. Then you won't get tired. You won't lose hope. Okay, third and last exercise. We take our arms and we let them hang by our sides. Then we flex our arms with our index fingers pointing to our brains. Then we're gonna push our pointing fingers down to our hearts. And I call this one, think and live. And we will do this.
No, we will do this one 127 times.
Whoa, Horvath. Are you sure?
I am more sure than ever.
All right, but your pinky.
I will just have to fight through the pains, boo-hoos.
Okay, take it away.
All right, ready? Goes. 1. 2. Thistle. Yeah. Fonzie. 127. Oh!
Great job.
Now let's do all the exercise again really fast. Ow!
But
Go!
Okay. Right. Let's keep on running the race.
Throw and run.
Let's keep looking to Jesus.
Look to Jesus. Ah!
Think about Jesus and you won't lose hope.
Think and live. Yeah, that was excellent.
What made you fight through the pain of your broken pinky?
I was listening to everything Jesus did, how he never gave up, even though it was going to be hard. I was inspired.
Inspired?
Yeah.
All right, I love it. What did you guys think?
Well, I think maybe Brandon and I need to think a little more like Horvath does.
Yeah, with your brains and your heart. Ow.
Jesus didn't let anything get in the way of his mission here on earth.
Exactly. Jesus kept going when life got tough. He never gave up. And because of his life, death, and resurrection, we can reconnect with God. And we have an amazing example of how God wants us to live.
Thanks, Kellen. Oh, and Horvath.
See you, fellas.
Yeah, toodaloos. Anything?
Well,
Yeah. Oh, my
It's not your fault. We were in the wrong.
We're not giving up on this show or you.
Yeah, or you. We're whispering to a plastic chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Reveal the question.
Oh, what can help you focus on Jesus?
Yeah, you could read the Bible.
Yeah, or you can pray.
Or just think about all he's done, especially when times are hard.
Oh, yeah. Then you can be inspired to keep going.
Yeah, talk about it together. What can help you focus on Jesus?
And we'll be right back here next time, like always, for another So-and-So show.
I can't believe we were going to give up because of a chicken.
No, we were so silly back then.
Oh, totally. See, I'm not even phased.
No, me neither. All right, jumping's my life, man. I can jump all day. I can do anything while I'm jumping.
Oh, you can. You
Yeah.
think you can make a bowl of cereal?
Sure I can.
All right, let's see. There you go. Here.
Oh, a bowl too. Oh, yeah. M&M's in my mouth.
Oh,
They went the wrong way. My kids are so proud.